This is a cave automatic virtual environment. It's an immersive reality environment where multiple projectors are directed onto 5 walls, enveloping visitors in a virtual room. Oldham College has one as part of their digital and creative department, and as a tech mentor at Oldham-based Inclusive Bytes, a non-profit tech hub, I was asked if Inclusive could help get physical sensors connected to the cave. The cave graphics system uses the Unity graphics engine, and this has got an MQTT plugin, which seemed like the best place to start. I designed a simple D1 mini baseboard with 4 push button switches on it. This is just a proof of concept, so it doesn't really need to be anything fancy at this stage. And then I created a simple PCB to test it with, and as usual use my CNC router to make it. And then a bit of manual soldering. The software is written in C++ using the Platform.io plugin for Visual Studio Code. It connects to an MQTT broker that's going to be running on the Unity PC and sends switch status messages over MQTT in JSON format. I stuffed all the electronics into a laser cut box and added some push button switches, and then Luna and Jonathan from Oldham College helped me get it on the network and ready for a test. They'd knocked up a quick test app to change the colour of some chairs in the room when the buttons were pressed, and this seemed to be working, so it's time to take it into the cave itself. This is just a prototype at this stage, and you could argue that we could have taken some existing Xbox controllers or such like and modified them, but what we want to do is put these into physical objects that could be used in training scenarios within the cave, such as fire extinguishing or whatever, and the size and cost of these devices make them very desirable for this sort of thing. I'd like to thank Oldham College for asking me to do some work on this project, and I'm looking forward to doing something else with them in the future. Thanks for watching.